Welcome back. Continuing the news. Health officials in Manchester say they're bracing for a spike in COVID-19 cases as a number of entertainment events are being held in contravention of the Disaster Risk Management Act. Anthony Lugg reports.
451, the number of confirmed cases recorded in the parish of Manchester to date. Of that number, 418 have recovered. There have been 18 deaths, while another is currently under investigation. But it appears that in a matter of weeks, things could get worse, putting a strain on healthcare facilities in the parish. This was Medical Officer of Health Dr. Nadine Williams at the municipal meeting on Thursday.
We are expecting a spike in the number of COVID-19 cases for the month of December, and the spike has already started across several parishes in the country. So it is very important that we adhere to the protocols.
With Christmas fast approaching, vendors have already taken to the streets trying to make some extra cash. However, the Health Ministry has continuously called for persons to remain vigilant and observe all health protocols. Dr. Williams made a similar appeal and pointed to two clusters in the parish. She noted that they're linked to events being held in contravention of the Disaster Risk Management Act.
Not because it is Christmas time doesn't mean that there's any relaxing. COVID is not going away so easily. Even at this time, we have two clusters of cases in the parish that are related to parties. So persons are still having their parties and becoming exposed.
So, with illegal parties contributing to the rise in COVID-19 cases in Manchester, will new measures be implemented? Mayor of Manover Donovan Mitchell said the municipality has been in discussion with the security forces to provide support enforcement.
In terms of parties, etc., we won't be giving approval for any. The police and other teams in terms of the JDF Reserve and the municipal police will be asked to ramp up their inspections of properties.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.